In this session, we focus on how to teach presentation and data response skills to learners in a meaningful and practical way. Presentation skills are not only essential for curriculum assessment, but also vital for learners' confidence, communication, and real-world readiness. We'll explore various interactive strategies, such as group activities, case study analysis, peer evaluation, and the use of visual data tools. By the end of this session, you'll have a set of strategies that make teaching this topic both effective and engaging. Our overall goal in this module is to empower you to confidently use active and context-relevant teaching strategies. These strategies will not only help you teach presentation and data response effectively, but also allow your learners to engage more deeply with the content. You'll be equipped to model quality presentation practices in the classroom and guide learners to interpret, create, and respond to business data confidently. By the end of this unit, you'll have the ability to teach the key components of a high-quality business presentation. You'll know how to guide learners in distinguishing between verbal and nonverbal communication styles, evaluate and select appropriate visual aids, and walk them through the stages of planning, delivering, and reflecting on their presentations. You'll also be able to assess their strengths and areas for growth, particularly when using multimedia tools, a vital part of modern communication in the business world. Before we move into new strategies, it's important to reflect on what you're already doing in your classroom. Ask yourself, have I used group activities or role play to teach presentation skills? Do I already incorporate videos, slides, or graphs into my lessons? And how confident do I feel in helping learners choose the right visual aids for the right purpose? Your answers will help you identify areas for growth and opportunities to build on what's already working. When we teach presentation skills, we're doing more than preparing learners for assessment. We're helping them develop lifelong communication abilities. In this unit, we'll focus on practical teaching methods to make these skills engaging and relevant. We'll explore activities that simulate real-world business settings, encourage collaboration, and give learners opportunities to build confidence through performance and peer feedback. Strategy 1. Scenario analysis is a powerful way to get learners thinking critically. By examining real or imagined business situations, learners can analyze how presentations are constructed and whether visual aids are used effectively. For example, show them a company's marketing pitch or a nonprofit's funding proposal. Then, ask them to identify strengths and weaknesses in how information is presented and suggest improvements. Strategy 2. Group presentations. Group presentations provide a hands-on opportunity for learners to practice and internalize presentation skills. Assign each group a topic and a specific visual aid, such as a bar graph, pie chart, or poster. As they prepare and present, they'll learn how to collaborate, structure a clear message, and engage an audience. Afterward, encourage self and peer reflection to deepen their learning experience. Strategy 3. Peer review is not just about giving feedback. It's about learning how to observe, evaluate, and communicate professionally. When learners assess each other's work using a clear checklist or rubric, they sharpen their analytical skills. It also encourages mutual respect and builds classroom community. Guide learners in giving feedback that is specific, constructive, and kind. Strategy 4. Interactive tools. Today's learners are digital natives, and integrating technology into your lessons can boost engagement and comprehension. Use tools like smartboards, interactive slides, or video clips to show both strong and weak examples of presentations. Teach learners how to interpret charts and graphs, and how to design visuals that are clear, accurate, and visually appealing. This makes the connection between content and communication more powerful. Classroom tips. To make this topic truly meaningful, connect your teaching to real-life business situations. For instance, let learners analyze a real company's marketing campaign or corporate report. Show them what works and what doesn't, then have them improve a poor quality visual or presentation as a class activity. This not only builds analytical skills, but fosters creativity, confidence, and relevance. Mini teaching plan. As a practical exercise, design a 30-minute lesson that allows learners to apply what they've learned. Choose a data presentation objective, such as explaining a bar graph or pie chart. Divide the class into groups. Let each group create and present using their assigned visual aid, and then assess using a simple peer feedback checklist. This activity brings together planning, teamwork, presentation, and assessment in one meaningful task. In this unit, we explored a variety of teaching strategies to help your learners master business presentations and data response. From scenario analysis and group work to peer reviews and digital integration, these methods ensure your lessons are interactive, practical, and relevant. With these strategies in hand, you can guide learners to present with confidence, interpret data critically, and perform well in both classroom and examination settings.